Welcome, today in front of me BLACKVIEW BL6000 PRO 5G, and I'll show you how to activate Google Assistant on this device. So let's first open the Google application, and after that tap here on the right upper corner and then go to the settings. After that click to the Google Assistant section and scroll down to the general options. Now just here you will see the Google Assistant switcher. To activate the Google Assistant, you should click once on the switcher and just tap to turn on to confirm your changes. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.